friends, John LaRuffa here again with another Unbiased unboxing, and today we are going to take a look at not just Quacks of Quedlinburg, but actually Quacks of Quedlinburg, the Herb Witches. So this is an expansion for a very good family game that I really enjoy, and if you've played it, you probably enjoy it too. It's kind of hard not to. It's just plain and simple fun. So we're going to see what comes into this expansion. Let's take a look right now. Okay, let's see what the Herb Witches have for us. Nice colorful box art, just like the board game itself. Looks like a ton of components. We will find out here shortly, right before your very eyes. Had to get this guy all the way from the UK. Could not find a copy in the States very easily, but we did locate one. All right, so it does add a fifth player to it, which is nice. I like that. And let's see what else it adds. Okay, so cracking it open, got some more rubies. We know about those from the base game. Looks like the fifth player color is black. Here is a little black bag. Same kind of quality as we got before, which is just fine. Herb Witches rule book. Looks like it is a pretty concise, cut to the chase expansion there, and then our punch boards. And let's see what we've got with these bad boys. So looks like some part of the expansion here with some little crock pots or concoctions or rotten oatmeal, whichever that is. Couple of different new types of tiles here. Those look pretty cool. And new resource. There's that, probably the herb or something. I don't know what it is yet. We'll find out. But we have a lot of different things here to add to the expansion. It's going to be fun. Here is the black player board. Okay. And a bunch more tokens, most likely to be able to cover the fifth player. And then there you have it. So overall, it looks like it's going to add a lot of variety to the game. A lot of different things as far as these tiles. We'll dig into that as I look forward to playing it. And that's about the size of it. So anyway, John LaRuffa again, Unbiased unboxing. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thought I left you, didn't I? Well, we got one little comment. It was a royal pain in the neck to punch out these components. I've punched out a lot of board games in my lifetime, as you can tell from this wall. And I'm telling you what, this was definitely probably nice. Probably one of the lower of satisfying punching experience. Had a lot of little frays like this. Had a very difficult time getting the pieces to come out without tearing them. So that's kind of a bummer. Hopefully your copy is better off than mine was. I did get it all out without getting any real damage, but something to just be aware of. You're going to have to punch this with a little bit more care if you're like mine, because the back punches really just hung on for dear life. So kind of a negative on that one, but overall I have everything here and it still looks good. That's the story, folks. Take it easy.